we had set up our emergency operations center, and it was operating at the time. And so Omaha would be calling the 911 center here. And as you can imagine, that center was already tied up with hundreds of calls. Keep trying to get an update on information when if they needed to be in our emergency operations center. And that's one of our big recommendations, is to have somebody on site that's can make those kind of decisions. There is an individual, but he is spread so thin. He covers, 300-400 miles going one way or the other, and is not in town all the time, and probably, in fact, maybe most of the time. So we recommended to have somebody on site 24 hours a day in case this happens, that can be in the emergency operations center with us. We can get out one piece of information. We were saying with our people that studied that chemical, that 1 mile radius was sufficient. Railroad put out an evacuation notice for 4 miles. So that even increased the calls into 911 more, and even more. And it just a number of things like that we recommended.